mo na siya ng mga ilang buwan.
Yes, yes po. Actually, I've been using it for a month now. Kahit yung less than a month kasi nakikita ko na yung changes. Not necessarily like physically wise agad, but yung sleeping pattern ko parang mas madali ako nakakatulog sa gabi. And then yung energy level ko parang mas ganado mag-work and yung throughout the day I'm really more energized after taking it for a couple of
Parang using the soft glow, parang nabawasan yung time mo na matayos na mag-ayos.
Totoo, yun yung isang malaking perks in taking New Moon Soft Glow. Kasi yun nga, skincare, sometimes we don't really have the time for all of that. Pinasimple. So para siyang skincare na bottle, and it's also holistic because it takes care of yourself, your wellness.
Elise, ngayon na mommy ka na, mahirap bang mag-maintain ng kagandahan bilang isa sa atin?
Mahirap ba mag-maintain? Hindi nyo lang siguro napapansin outside, pero syempre pag mother ka na, yung mga highs and lows, extremes is. So hindi nyo nakikita yung walang-wala talaga, yung lows of the lows. Ang nakikita lang natin is the celebratory highs of life. But kung yung tanong is mahirap bang mag-maintain, mas mahirap mag-maintain ng yung inner wellness kesa yung because I think sa beauty naturally yun lalabas if you're happy inside.
Pag may mga ganang pagkakataon ng mga low, paano may nahandle?
I make sure I just take a day off. Hindi ko pinipilit yung sarili kong may gawin sa isang araw. Kasi I want to be productive. Kung merong problema. So, binibigyan ko ng time yung sarili ko to process it and embrace it kung ano man yun. Kahit hindi maganda, yung feeling ko. And then the next day, I'll feel better, a little better, and parang mas meron akong drive to go through it.
Kapag ba may mga ganun kang mga moments, apektado lahat ng bagay. Ito parang yung whole day mo sira ako dahil sa ganung moments.
Actually, totoo yan. Kaya sinasabi ko it's important to take a day off or little time off kasi lahat na apektuhan. It's like a domino effect. If you're not, if you're going through something internally, lalabas at lalabas yan, maapektuhan yung daily activities mo. So, that's why I say it's important to just take a few moments to yourself na ramdamin and pag-isip ng solusyon kung ano man yung gagawin.
Hindi ko ba yung mga typical na girl na parang may time, parang may talk, yung gano'n.
Siguro, after naging nanay ako, nabawasan yung walang kwentang toyo. Pero pag sinasabi ko, tinopang, ano na yun, there's an actual reason for it. Pero hindi na yung the way I manage it, hindi na yung kagaya dati na puro.
Elise, diba you have your own skincare business? Paano mo binabalance ko? Showbiz, your business, being a mother?
Actually, yes, I do have a beauty and wellness business, Lunch Break Beauty, if you guys could check that out. Mahirap siya, sa totoo lang. Wala akong parang other word for it, kundi mahirap siya. But at the end of the day, it's fulfilling. Kasi I went in the business, in that type of business because I myself enjoy it. It's a passion for me. So, mas nakakabawas sa hardship, I guess. And nandun yung fulfillment na alam mo at the end of the day, you're helping other people to feel beautiful and confident in themselves. And then, pangalawa is yung ginagawa mo to because of your family.
What's next after Pira-Pirasong Paraiso? Naabangan ka na sa TV eh.
I'm so excited because I'll be doing something very soon. I think we'll start next month, hopefully. And hindi pa ako makapagbigay ng details, but
Di pa. But it's a good project.
Di pa pwede, pero sobrang excited po ako and I hope you guys are as excited na abangan ko kasi grabe.
Elise, tanong ako ba ng batang yan?
Yes!
Anong reaction mo kay Boy? Nakakainis ba?
Parang nakakainis in a way na nag-proud. Because he's come a long way.
Tapos sa acting kaiba.
Yes, and actually napag-uusapan namin kasi once I go, minsan nag-aasa ko sa kanya, nakawabo din ang kami ginawa yun. Kasi nakabilib din as me as an audience. So,
Kamusta na kayo?
okay naman po. we want to keep our private life private. What you see is what we just want to share. Yun.
Wala pa tayo sa level na kasal ba tayo ngayon na walang gano'n?
I think it's gonna come when the timing is right. Parang, pinag-pray ko po na ngayon, masunod yung ating parang tamang pagkakataon at tamang time.
Parenting styles, paano ba? Sumakoy.
Parenting, siya yung mas disciplinary sa aming dalawa.
Spoiler.
Hindi naman, pero kasi ngayon parang gusto kong i-enjoy ni Felice yung pagkabata niya and siya mismo makadiscover ko ano yung mga gusto niya, mga ayaw niya, and then doon lang ako papasok kapag napapahamak.
Please, Boeing Believe is back. Would you be open to having your kid join it?
I heard, pero I also heard na age 5 and above pa. So, hindi pa pwede si Felice. Pero, thinking about it, parang feeling ko nga magsusuhan niya eh. Pero, siguro not yet. For now,
Ilan taon na ba?
3 pa lang siya.
Okay, kasi anak din ni John Hilario, 3 lang din.
Yes, pero parang kasing ganda na ng 5-year-old. If they permit it, we can see
Gusto mo rin ako doon.
kung gusto niya, kung nag-enjoy siya.
Elise, magbubukas na yung bahay ni Kuya very soon. Advice mo sa mga incoming housemates?
Ang advice ko lang is to really enjoy the moment kasi hindi mo nga malalaman kung anong mangyayari sa susunod na araw. So ako, I enjoyed the whole experience and yun lang talaga ma-advise ko is to just live by the moment habang nandun sila sa loob ng bahay. It's exciting. Biggest insecurity, parang I'm way past the insecurity physical wise. Insecurity ko na masasabi siguro like within myself yung battles with, for example, how I deal with problems or yung paano ako magiging mas mature in terms of parenting. Yung ganun, yun yung insecurity ko. Yung merong doubt in how I'm being as a mother and as a woman.
Kasi diba siya yung baby girl, diba? Siyempre, she's gonna get to a point na mag-a-adolescent na siya. Ano yung mga isip mong tips for her pagka dumana siya sa point na yun yun, nakakaramdam ng mga insecurities later on?
I think I just want to be there to support her and to be her yung parang number one parang positive cheerleader for her. And kasi alam ko dadaan. I just want to be a person she can rely on when she feels down or may insecurities.
Yung may type ng mom na friend schedule mo ba siya or sinasisingit-singit mo na?
Scheduling, I'd say really helps. Pero there are times na alam ko kung ano yung, siguro sa isang araw, alam ko kung prioritize ko for the day, and then ako mas magbigay ng so, but scheduling really helps. It's something I discovered recently na that I just go with the flow, but I realized